As we embark on a journey to uncover the layers beneath Toyota's perceived boring image, it's crucial to explore the foundations that have shaped the brand's reputation. Toyota's ascent to prominence is anchored in its unwavering commitment to reliability. To truly understand the boring label, we delve into the intricacies of Toyota's engineering prowess, where meticulous testing and quality assurance processes form the backbone of the company's success. Behind the scenes, Toyota's engineers meticulously scrutinize every aspect of their vehicles, ensuring durability and longevity. It's a commitment to perfection that may lack the thrill of risk, but it's this very dedication that has forged Toyota's reputation for building cars that endure. The predictability often associated with Toyota's reliability raises a fundamental question. Does dependability equate to boredom? For many, the assurance that their vehicle will consistently perform, day in and day out, is a source of comfort rather than monotony. Through the eyes of Toyota owners who have relied on their vehicles for decades, we uncover a sense of trust and peace of mind. Perhaps, beneath the surface of predictability lies a deeper appreciation for the stability that Toyota vehicles provide. Toyota's image as a brand of sensible choices is not without merit. The popularity of fuel-efficient models and a focus on practicality may have inadvertently contributed to the boring stereotype. But is there more to this label than meets the eye? For many consumers, the allure of Toyota lies in the wisdom of making practical, cost-effective choices. The boring label may overlook the thrill found in the satisfaction of making a sensible decision that aligns with personal values and environmental consciousness. The balance between practicality and excitement becomes a nuanced exploration. Toyota's emphasis on fuel efficiency and sensible choices, while contributing to the perception of boring, might actually be a reflection of a deeper understanding of consumer needs and responsible driving. Behind the scenes, Toyota designers and engineers discuss the intentional choices made to ensure practicality without compromising aesthetics. The marriage of form and function challenges the notion that sensibility equates to mundanity. As we peel back the layers of Toyota's perceived boring image, we encounter a complex interplay of reliability, predictability, and practicality. The simplicity often associated with Toyota is, in reality, a canvas of intricate decisions and a commitment to meeting the needs of a diverse range of consumers. In the chapters that follow, we will unravel the unseen innovations, explore the quiet revolution shaping Toyota's identity, and challenge the stereotypes that have defined the brand. As we delve deeper, we may discover that the boring label is but a surface-level perception, one that overlooks the rich tapestry of stories, innovations, and experiences that make Toyota a brand worth exploring beyond the stereotypes. As we peel back the layers of Toyota's perceived boring image, we encounter a complex interplay of reliability, predictability, and practicality. The simplicity often associated with Toyota is, in reality, a canvas of intricate decisions and a commitment to meeting the needs of a diverse range of consumers. Stepping into Toyota's design studios, we witness the meticulous crafting of vehicles that balance form and function. The intentional choices made by designers reveal a dedication to creating cars that not only excel in performance, but also seamlessly integrate into the lives of their owners. Beyond the visible surface lies a world of innovation that often escapes the spotlight. From pioneering hybrid technology to exploring alternative fuels, Toyota has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering. These innovations challenge the notion of boring and speak to a commitment to sustainable mobility. Engaging with Toyota's engineers, we uncover the untold stories of breakthroughs in technology. The quest for efficiency and eco-conscious solutions reveals a commitment to driving the automotive industry forward, challenging the stereotype of predictability. Toyota's corporate culture, grounded in humility and a cautious approach to risk, may contribute to the boring label. Yet, this very approach has enabled the company to navigate economic uncertainties with resilience. Stability, it seems, is a strength that transcends the limitations of perception. Conversations with Toyota executives shed light on the values that guide the company. The commitment to continuous improvement and stability is not a choice made out of caution, but a deliberate philosophy that has shaped Toyota's legacy. As we unravel the complexities of perception, we find that the true beauty of Toyota lies not just in its vehicles, but in the holistic approach to automotive craftsmanship. The boring label, often attached to reliability and practicality, fades away, revealing a brand that embraces simplicity without compromising sophistication. In concluding our exploration, we invite you to reimagine Toyota beyond the confines of stereotypes. The everyday vehicles that grace our roads carry stories of reliability, practicality, innovation, and a commitment to sustainability. Perhaps, in understanding the nuanced layers of Toyota's identity, we can appreciate the beauty in simplicity, the beauty that unfolds when we look beyond preconceived notions, and embark on a journey to discover the untold stories that make Toyota more than just a brand.